Hello, everyone. Thank you for your interest in learning more about the best practices we have been developing for glaciology. My name is Malisse Lummus, and I'm a second-year PhD student studying glaciology and remote sensing with Dr. Lee Stearns at the University of Kansas.
Hi, and I'm Jessica Mejia, a glacial hydrologist and postdoc at the University of Buffalo, working with Dr. Kristen Poinar. Today, we're going to be sharing with you our work on building an inclusive environment in the cryospheric science community. We are presenting on behalf of the Mars Glaciology URGE pod. Our pod spans multiple institutions and consists of glaciologists at various stages in their career. URGE, or Unlearning Racism in the Geosciences, was a 16-week journal reading and policy design program created to help geoscientists unlearn racism and improve accessibility, justice, equity, diversity, and inclusion in our discipline.
Currently, the geosciences are the least diverse STEM field. To make matters even worse, polar sciences are one of the least diverse subdisciplines of the geosciences as a whole. The remote environments, harsh conditions, and colonialist history of the field have created a lot of barriers to entry and retention. The field has also been slower than most to bring equity amongst genders, as was shown by Picture a Scientist. People experience subtle and overt racism and sexism at conferences, in the field, in their labs, and at their institutions. This feeling of being unsafe in so many critical work environments results in the loss of career opportunities and ultimately in a huge loss to our community. The Diversity in UK Polar Science Initiative is one of the only metrics of diversity for the cryospheric sciences that exists. These demographics show what we all know to be true, that Black, Asian, and minority ethnic groups accounted for only 3% of UK polar science. Scientists with disabilities accounted for only 1.8%, LGBTQIA+ for only 2%, and women for only 39%. And how is it that there isn't any demographic data for the US? With no current data, it's clear that there's a need for progress on increasing diversity. Due to the lack of diversity and the unique work environments involved in glaciology, we decided to spend our time thinking about how we could contribute to building a more equitable and diverse community within the cryospheric sciences. We need to focus on breaking barriers for people of all gender identities, socioeconomic backgrounds, disabilities, and races.
Our mission is to share resources, foster community, and advocate for change. Throughout the URGE program, we spent a lot of time thinking about what we could do to implement change in glaciology. We decided our role could be to use existing literature to inform best practices for glaciology and resources that we could then share. Our hope is that current cryospheric scientists can take this work back to their individual research teams and institutions. With this goal in mind, we are developing a website where we can share the best practices, ideas, and resources we're refining with the community. Importantly, we are not developing this website siloed from the other great work being done by numerous groups and organizations inside and outside of glaciology. Instead, all of our work should inform each other so that we can collectively make progress towards creating a safe work environment for current and future cryospheric scientists.
This is a soft launch, so we'll be adding more content to the website over the next few months. We envision cryocommunity.org to act as a hub for Jedi work and resources relevant to glaciology. This includes sharing content that's not only created by our Urge Pod, but also created by others. This can include posts written by other guest writers and spotlighting other teams and organizations with similar missions. We want this to be a place for everyone to share their ideas, not just the Mars Urge Pod. The informal and flexible format of this platform will hopefully allow us to get feedback and better adapt to the needs of the community.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to our talk today. And thank you for the organizers for allowing us to speak with everyone. Our website is now live. Please check it out at cryocommunity.org and follow us on Twitter. We are at cryocommunity. We would love to hear feedback that everyone has. You can email us or send us a tweet. Let us know if you want to get involved, what you think about it, if we have more resources to add to our website and anything else. Appreciate your time. Thanks.
Thank you.